Hi guys, welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. Today we are going to discuss chapter 12.1, that is applications of trigonometry of class 10th. Today in this video we are going to discuss applications of trigonometry of class 10th, chapter 12. We'll continue some guys. Let's start. 12.1 second sum. A tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground by making an angle of 30 degrees angle with the ground. The distance between the foot of the tree and the top of the tree on the ground is 6 meters. Find the height of the tree before falling down. So actually the question was given. See, there was a tree. Because of storm, the tree was fell down. The upper part of the tree was broken and fell down like this. So when it falls, no, it was making an angle of 30 degrees to the ground. When it falls, it was making an angle of 30 degrees with the ground. Therefore, from where it was fallen and where the starting point of the tree, the distance between them is 6 meters. That is given. We need to find the height of the tree and the broken part of the tree. Okay, this one x we need to find, and height of the tree also we need to find. So first I don't what is given in the question. Given that the angle of elevation, the broken part of the tree forms an angle of 30 degrees. Okay, and let the length of the tree, the height of the tree, take it as h meters. Okay, now so from the figure we have hypotenuse, opposite and adjacent guys. So first we'll solve these two, then we go for the x. So opposite by adjacent is nothing but tan theta. So using tan theta we can solve this sum. So tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent. So tan 30 degrees equal to, what is the opposite side here? BC by AB. BC by AB. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So BC is h, AB is 6. So making h as subject, we get here h root 3 equal to 6. Making h as subject, we get 6 by root 3 guys. We get h equal to 6 by root 3. Now we got the h value. Now we need to find the value of x. So finding the x value, that is the broken part of the tree. So from the triangle CAB, so that x part is looking like hypotenuse, right? So hypotenuse and the base is given as, the distance between them is given as 6 meters. So hypotenuse and adjacent, it becomes a cos theta, right? So using cos theta we can find the value of x. Therefore cos theta equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, and use the same angle. Cos 30 equal to AB by AC according to the triangle. Now cos 30 is root 3 by 2 and AB equal to 6 and AC equal to x guys, that is we need to find. So making x as a subject, we get x by root 12. 12 by root 3. X equal to 12 by root 3. So we got h value and we got the x value, right? We got the length of the remaining part of the tree and we got the broken part of the tree. So how can we find the height of the tree? We can find the height of the tree by taking the sum of these two, broken part plus remaining part, that is x plus h. That is 12 by root 3 plus 6 by root 3. So here with the LCM is root 3 guys. So we get 12 plus 6, that equal to 18 by root 3. Okay, this is the conclusion step. You can stop sum here, or still you want to simplify, you can take root 3 value as 1.732 and 18 by 1.732. You can simplify, you get approximate 10.392 guys. So this is the length of the tree. Therefore the height of the tree is 10.392 meters. I hope you understand this sum. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. Thank you.